Alright, so I just got myself the Bissell pet hair eraser, the corded one, and I thought I'd make a video showing how well it does, or doesn't do. This is the box it came in, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and get all the parts out. This is what was in the box. You got the vacuum cleaner itself, and it looks like it has another attachment. So let's test it out, because this guy right here, hi buddy, sheds a lot. Let's see, I don't know, the lighting is poor, but if you look, see, we let him sleep on the bed, and geez, there's hair everywhere. You shed a lot, don't you? Yeah? You're a good boy. Alright, so I'm going to plug this in, and we'll test it out. We'll see if maybe we can get some of the hair off this comforter, because it's too big for us to throw in our washing machine, and just don't like dragging it to the laundromat all the time. Okay, so I'm going to see if I can record with one hand and use the vacuum with the other. I mean, it's small, just a little handheld. This is the power button, the container that holds all the dirt that you can empty. Alright, let's test this out. Alright, that's not bad at all. I mean, especially because I'm trying to watch what I'm doing through the camera lens and not doing the best of jobs. But it seems to actually be sucking up the fur, which is awesome, and as far as he's actually around that, he seems to be afraid of the big vacuum cleaner. But anyway, so that's what it looks like on a comforter. Let's see, the fur's trapped up in there. So I got a huge bed to do, so I'm off to do that, and just want to give everybody a show of how this product actually works. Thanks.